guys, I'm Stella. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is okay. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these faux locks. And I'm also going to be showing you how to style it. So let's get into the video. For this style you will need Cuban twist hair. I used approximately 8 packs depending on how long you want it to be. A pin, you only need 1. Black rubber bands to secure the bottom, and a lot of patience. This is the exact hair I used. I'm going to link the details in the description box below. And to make this process easier, I went ahead and parted my hair. This is going to save a lot of time, so I'll advise you do that as well. Some of these extensions come with a very funky smell, so I was just making sure. I used 1 strand of hair, sent it in the braid, and here I'm going to use 2 more strands to wrap up the first one. So each lock in total is going to have 3 strands of hair. Just watch, you understand what I'm saying. And be ready for some serious neck and arm workout. This was the next day and I was finally left with 1 braid. Can you clap for me, please? Thank you, thank you. You guys are so sweet. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So I'm just repeating the same thing I did when I started when I started doing the hair. I sent 1 strand in, used 1 strand, wrapped it, use another strand to complete it because this hair is pretty long. Oh, what you saw me doing earlier, wrapping it, was to make it smooth, and then I opened the strand of hair to make it bigger. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. At the end of this lock, I used the black rubber band to secure it because I didn't want to use glue or burn it, but honey, just do you. If you want to use glue, go ahead. If you want to burn it, go ahead. To add icing to the cake, I used the silver strings. This thing was trying me.
2,000 years later.
Finally, I'm done with the hair. This is what it looks like. And I went ahead and put some of these and that. Yeah, so I'm not even gonna pretend like this doesn't hurt. This hurts a lot, but it's worth it, I guess. So this is style number 1, everything to the back. Just have some hoops here. Style number 2, I have everything down. Simple. Style number 3. Style number 5. Style number 6. Style number, I don't know, I can keep track. Excuse my edges. At this point my edges are fried, but oh, you can add a scarf. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got to this part of the video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment on what style was your favorite, and if you try this hairstyle, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye. Style number 2. So for style number 3, I have this. Don't do that.
Are you kidding me? Do us. Yeah. Yeah.